What happens to our body if we drink coconut oil daily? Coconut oil is a versatile and widely used edible oil extracted from the kernel, or meat, of mature coconuts harvested from the coconut palm tree. It is a tropical oil that has been consumed and used for various purposes for centuries in many cultures. From improving heart health to promoting radiant skin and luscious hair, this tropical gem has a lot to offer. But before we continue, it is important to note that all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals to ensure impartiality and accuracy. Coconut oil has a distinct aroma and flavor, imparting a mild coconut taste to the foods it's used in. This oil is solid at room temperature but melts into a clear liquid when heated. Due to its various health benefits and culinary uses, coconut oil has gained popularity worldwide and is commonly used in cooking, baking, frying, and as a substitute for butter or other oils in recipes. It is also found in numerous skincare products, hair care products, and even used for oil pulling, a traditional oral health practice. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 benefits of drinking coconut oil daily, backed by scientific research and real-life experiences. Number 1. Improved heart health. Coconut oil primarily consists of medium-chain triglycerides, which are considered healthier than the long-chain triglycerides found in many other oils. MCTs are metabolized differently by the body, and they are less likely to be stored as fat. Studies suggest that coconut oil can increase the levels of high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. Higher HDL levels are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. It is rich in lauric acid, which has been shown to increase HDL cholesterol and may also have potential benefits in reducing total cholesterol levels. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease. Coconut oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the arteries and blood vessels. Some studies suggest that coconut oil may possess anticoagulant properties, which could potentially reduce the risk of blood clots, improve blood flow, and contribute to blood pressure regulation, which is essential for heart health. Number 2. Weight management support. Coconut oil is believed to be beneficial for weight management support. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which are unique types of fatty acids. Unlike long-chain triglycerides found in many other oils, MCTs are rapidly absorbed and metabolized by the liver, where they are converted into energy. This quick conversion to energy means that MCTs are less likely to be stored as fat in the body, making coconut oil a potential ally in weight management. However, while coconut oil may have potential benefits for weight management, it is not a magical solution for weight loss. Effective weight management involves a holistic approach, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and managing stress. Number 3. Enhanced brain function. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are readily converted into ketones by the liver. Ketones are molecules that can cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an alternative source of energy for the brain. This is especially valuable because the brain's primary fuel is glucose, and in certain situations, such as low-carbohydrate diets or certain neurological conditions, the brain can use ketones as an efficient energy source. Some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet, which involves high-fat and low-carbohydrate intake, might be beneficial in managing certain neurological disorders like epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Number 4. Boosted immune system. Boosted immune system is another potential benefit of consuming coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, caprylic acid, and capric acid, which are known for their antimicrobial properties. These compounds have shown potential in combating viruses, bacteria, and fungi that can cause infections in the body. By helping to fight off pathogens, coconut oil can assist the immune system in maintaining a strong defense against infections. While coconut oil may offer potential benefits for the immune system, maintaining a healthy immune system requires a balanced lifestyle. This includes consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, staying physically active, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and following recommended hygiene practices to reduce the risk of infections. Number 5. Increased energy levels. Coconut oil is believed to contribute to increased energy levels. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which are rapidly metabolized by the liver and converted into energy. Unlike long-chain triglycerides found in many other oils, MCTs do not require bile for digestion, making them a quick and efficient source of energy. As mentioned earlier, MCTs in coconut oil can be converted into ketones, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an alternative fuel source for the brain. This can lead to enhanced mental clarity and focus, promoting a feeling of increased energy and alertness. Consuming coconut oil can help prevent fatigue during physical activities or periods of increased mental exertion. The readily available energy from MCTs can be utilized by the muscles and brain, leading to improved endurance and reduced feelings of tiredness. Before we move on to the next amazing benefit, we want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for being here with us today. If you're finding this video informative and exciting, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button. Your support motivates us to keep creating valuable content like this. And hey, if you haven't already, why not click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell? By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our future health and wellness videos. We have a lot more coming up, and we'd love to have you be a part of our growing community. Alright, now that we've got that covered, let's dive right back into the incredible world of coconut oil benefits. Number 6. Better Digestion. Better digestion refers to how consuming coconut oil may support and improve the health of your digestive system. The medium-chain fatty acids found in coconut oil may help protect and strengthen the lining of the digestive tract. Coconut oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and soothe the digestive system. Some individuals report that consuming coconut oil helps alleviate constipation. The lubricating effect of coconut oil in the digestive tract may aid in easing bowel movements and promoting regularity. Number 7. Skin and hair health. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer for the skin. It forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, helping to retain moisture and prevent dryness. Regularly applying coconut oil can keep your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Applying coconut oil to the hair can deeply condition and hydrate it, reducing dryness and frizz. It can also repair damaged hair, making it look healthier and more manageable. Some believe that coconut oil's ability to penetrate the hair shaft and nourish the follicles can promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. The antimicrobial properties of coconut oil can be beneficial for controlling dandruff caused by certain fungi or bacteria on the scalp. When using coconut oil for skincare or hair care, it's essential to choose extra virgin or cold-pressed coconut oil as it retains more of its natural nutrients and beneficial properties. As with any skincare or hair care product, it's recommended to perform a patch test before applying coconut oil to a larger area, especially if you have sensitive skin or scalp. Number 8. Blood sugar regulation. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides. Some studies suggest that MCTs can enhance insulin sensitivity in cells, which means the body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity can help prevent insulin resistance, a condition associated with elevated blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for blood sugar regulation. As discussed earlier, coconut oil's MCTs can contribute to weight management by increasing energy expenditure and reducing fat storage, which may positively impact blood sugar control. While coconut oil may have potential benefits for blood sugar regulation, it should not be considered a treatment or substitute for medical management of diabetes or other blood sugar-related conditions. Individuals with diabetes or other blood sugar disorders should work closely with their healthcare team to develop a comprehensive plan that includes proper nutrition, medication management, regular monitoring, and lifestyle adjustments. Number 9. Antioxidant properties. Coconut oil is a good source of vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble antioxidant. Vitamin E works in the lipid portions of cells, helping to protect cell membranes from oxidative damage and maintaining their structural integrity. Although present in small amounts, coconut oil contains trace amounts of selenium, an essential mineral that supports the function of antioxidant enzymes in the body, such as glutathione peroxidase. It's important to remember that while coconut oil has antioxidant properties, a well-balanced diet that includes a wide variety of antioxidant-rich foods is essential to provide the body with a diverse range of antioxidants. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent sources of antioxidants and should be incorporated into your daily diet. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory effects. As mentioned earlier, coconut oil's MCTs can be converted into ketones in the liver. Ketones have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. While coconut oil may offer anti-inflammatory benefits, it's essential to remember that inflammation is a complex and multifaceted process influenced by various factors, including diet, lifestyle, and overall health. Therefore, consuming coconut oil should be considered as part of a well-balanced anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle, which includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other anti-inflammatory foods. As with any dietary or health-related change, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and to discuss any potential interactions with medications or existing health conditions. And there you have it, the top 10 benefits of consuming coconut oil. Each of these benefits contributes to the overall appeal and potential health advantages of incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine. As with any health-related topic, it's essential to make informed choices based on your individual needs and preferences. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Before we go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and helpful. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future health and wellness videos. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way, covering a wide range of topics to help you live a happier, healthier life. As always, thank you for being a part of our community. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.